सो फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट अगर भारत में बनने लगता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली कंपोनेंट्स के लिए डिज़ाइन एक डिमांड क्रिएट होती है एंड दीज आर ग्लोबल प्रोडक्ट्स। सो भारत की डिमांड को मीट करेंगे और ग्लोबल एक्सपोर्ट चालू करेंगे। अगर कंपोनेंट वाइज देखें तो आई विल जस्ट share some of the component capacity that we are able to create. Capacitors में now we'll be able to meet 16% of our domestic demand. Connectors में we'll be able to meet 33% of our domestic demand. Laminates में we'll be able to meet 100% of our demand and we'll become global suppliers. Lithium ion cells for the digital segment, I'm not talking about the EV segment, only the electronics wala segment. There we'll be able to meet 61% of our domestic demand. As you might recall, last year when we inaugurated the factory in Haryana near Gurgaon, that time we were reaching about 35% of our demand. Now we'll be able to reach about 61% of our demand. Rare earth magnets in the electronics industry will be able to meet 25% of our demand. 25% of our demand. So this is a very big milestone for our country. Our dependence on imports will significantly reduce. In relay manufacturing, we'll be able to meet 100% of our demand and we'll be able to become global exporter for relay components. For metallized films, this is a metallized film. This is a film on which metal layer is printed or impregnated, as they call it. Metallized film is 44% of our demand will be met in India now. PCBs, a huge market. We import about 40,000 crore worth PCBs. So this now we will be able to meet about 50% of our demand. About 50% of our demand we will be able to meet in our country. So that much import will reduce in a significant way. Inductors 5%, SMD passive, which is the first plant approved, will be able.
सीधा प्रसारण आप देख रहे थे। केंद्रीय मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णव ने जानकारी दी कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्कीम के तहत 29 परियोजनाओं को मंजूरी दी गई है। 7,000 करोड़ से ज़्यादा की ये परियोजनाएं हैं और अपने आप में ये बेहद महत्वपूर्ण इसलिए है क्योंकि जो इंपोर्ट का एक बड़ा हिस्सा है अब वो इससे कम होगा और आत्मनिर्भर भारत की दिशा में ये एक बड़ा कदम है।